Morning, men. Big favor from you this morning, okay? All right. Leo Longoria, all right? He's a cafeteria worker here. Leo is a member of Arizona Army National Guard. He's deploying tonight. So what we're gonna do once we break this meeting, okay? We're all gonna leave here, we're gonna go in the cafeteria, and we're gonna show our appreciation for Leo. Number one, for what he does for this organization, but most importantly, his commitment to serve this country. So important. Leo, 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 Leo. How you doing? Yeah. Thank you, guys. Leo, on behalf of the football team and the entire organization, we wanted to show our appreciation for all that you do, all right, for this organization, but most importantly, your commitment to serve our country. We wanted to be able to give you something so you can represent your team, all right, as you're deployed overseas. And I want you to understand and know that when you come back, your job will be here waiting on you. May God blessings be with you, all right, and understanding you're always a member of this team, the Arizona Cardinals. Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much.
The whole team, you know, you're in their thoughts and prayers as you go forward. So thank you so much. Appreciate it. And that was fun.
Probably got a lot on your mind, but does this at least give you good feelings before you depart?
Yeah, it does. You know, shows that I have a caring place where I work, and that's amazing. You know, having like seen all the guys out there and going through all that, that was awesome. Like, it warmed my heart. Best way to put it.